Welcome to the PVB initiative. Video for online exam preparation CBSE 12th standard subject physics. This video contains very short questions and answer for chapter 3 current electricity. These questions generally contains half marks in the examination. In order to get full marks, students have to be very particular when answering these questions. So, let us begin our study of short question and answer of our chapter. Question 1. What is the amount of current carries by average lightning? Answer 1. An average lightning carries current of the order of tens of thousands of amperes. Question 2. What is the amount of current carries by our nerves? Answer 2. The current carries by our nerves are in microampere. Question 3. Name the type of conductor in which positive and negatively charged particles both will carry the current. Answer 3. In the electrolytic solution, positive and negative charge both can move. Question 4. Draw a graph showing variations of current versus voltage for GaAs, that is gallium arsenide. Answer 4. The following graph is showing a variation of current versus voltage for GaAs. This graph contains nonlinear region, negative resistance region. Question 5. Draw a characteristic curve of a diode. Answer 5. A characteristic curve of a diode is as shown below. Question 6. What is the lowest range of resistivity? Answer 6. The lowest range of resistivity is of 10 to the power minus 8 ohm into meter to 10 to the power minus 6 ohm into meter. All metals have low resistivity. Question 7. What is the highest range of resistivity? Give the name of the materials with highest resistivity. Answer 7. Insulators like ceramic, rubber and plastics having a resistivity 10 to power 18 times greater than the metal. Question 8. Calculate the resistance of a given carbon resistor. Answer 8. According to the color code of carbon resistance of a resistor is R is equal to 22 into 10 to the power 2 ohms plus or minus 10%. Here, from the first red color, according to the carbon resistor color code, red have a color code 2. So, here first two lines of red color gives 2, 2. Now, third line gives the power of 10, which gives 10 to the power 2, and last silver line gives plus or minus of any percentage of that particular point. Silver have 10, so here it comes R is equal to 22 into 10 to the power 2 ohms plus or minus 10%. This 10% will give the error of plus or minus in the given resistor. Question 9. Calculate the resistance of a given carbon resistor. Here, given carbon resistor contains yellow, violet, brown and gold. Method of holding a carbon resistor is always from the gold or silver line at the end. We have to hold from that point, then we have to start calculating our resistor of a given carbon wire. From the first line we will come to the 10th place, that is here it is yellow, which have a color code 4. Then second color is violet, it will be at the ones place. So, violet have a color code 7. So, resistance of a resistor is 47. Now, brown have a color code 1. So, into the power 10 raised to 1, that is only the 10. Then gold have a error of plus or minus 5%. So, the total resistance of a resistor according to the color code of carbon resistor is given by R is equal to 47 into 10 to the power 1 ohm plus or minus 5%. Question 10. Give the formula of resistivity of metallic conductor. Answer 10. The resistivity of metallic conductor is approximately given by rho T is equal to rho 0 into the bracket 1 plus alpha into the bracket T minus T 0 bracket over. Question 11. What is the unit of temperature coefficient? Answer 11. The unit of temperature coefficient is temperature inverse. Question 12. Draw the graph of resistivity rho T of copper as a function of temperature T. Answer 12. Graph of resistivity rho T of copper as a function of temperature T is given as below. According to the graph, it is clear that as temperature increases, the resistivity of copper is also increasing. Question 3. Draw the graph of resistivity rho T of nichrome as a function of temperature T. Answer 13. The graph of resistivity rho T of nichrome as a function of temperature T is given below. According to the graph, it is clear that the nichrome has initially some resistivity, and as temperature increases, the resistivity is also increasing uniformly. Draw the graph of temperature dependence of resistivity for a typical semiconductor. Answer 14. The graph of temperature dependence of resistivity for a typical semiconductor is given. According to the graph, it is clear that initially there is a highest amount of resistivity is there. As temperature increases, the resistivity is gradually decreasing, and after some particular temperature, the resistivity becomes a constant. Question 15. Give the balance condition for the galvanometer to give 0 or null deflection. Answer 15. The following equation of 4 resistor is called the balance condition for the galvanometer to give 0 or null deflection. R2 upon R1 is equal to R4 upon R3. Question 16. Name the device using the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Answer 16. A practical device using a principle is called the meter bridge. Students, we have come to the end of this chapter, current electricity. As I mentioned earlier, the points have to be very particular for this question in order to get full marks in the exam. Thank you for listening to this video. Wish you all the success in the exam. Happy studying. See you in the next video.